Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Smart Investment YouTube channel. Today, I would like to share detailed fundamental analysis on the company known as CE Infosystem, famously known as MapMa India, was incorporated in 1995 as a data and technology products and platform company offering proprietary services like digital maps as a service, software as a service, and a platform as a service. Company is India's leading provider of advanced digital maps, geospatial software, and IoT-based technologies. It offers the widest of location-powered software and the most comprehensive set of offerings. So, in a way, it is the market leader and almost the lone player in the field of mapping technology in India. Company generates 40% of the revenue from map and data products and 60% from platform and IoT products. The company serves the enterprise customer across three major categories, that is corporate, automotive, and government. The digital map offered by the company covers 6.29 million kilometers of roads in India, which covers 98.5% of India's road network. Fundamentals for FY 22 to 23. Current market price is rupees 1962.70. 52-week high is rupees 2393.45. 52-week low is rupees 984. Dividend yield of the company is 0.15%. ROCE 26.48%. BVPS rupees 99.04. Sales of the company 253 crore. Debt to equity ratio 0. PE ratio 48.98. EPS rupees 20.26. PB ratio 9.94. Market cap 10616 crore. Face value rupees 2. Shareholding pattern for financial year 23. Promoter hold the shares of 52.93%. DIIs hold the share for 4.86%. FIIs shareholding is 5.74%. Public holds 35.53% share and remaining holds 0.9% share. Financial results. Company's net sale was rupees 91.08 crore in September 2023, up 19.36%. Quarterly net profit at rupees 33.04 crore in September 2023, up 30.03%, and EBITDA stands at rupees 49.19 crore in September 2023, up 29.45% as compared to September 2022. Its EPS has increased to rupees 6.11 in September 2023 from rupees 4.73 in September 2022. To offer drone-based solutions in mapping inspection, company has invested in drones. The main aim of the company is to provide high definition and 3D maps for its consumer-facing app, that is Mappls, based on drone collection data. Company provides foundational and comprehensive digital maps across India. It also builds and releases digital maps for the countries outside India such as Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, UAE, and Egypt. This is the only company which provides services such as map, location, and navigation platforms, GIS, geospatial analytics, and Geo AI products and platforms, location-based IoT, fleet, and workforce automation products and platforms, develops APIs and SDKs, N-Case automotive and mobility tech solutions suite, location-powered consumer tech, and enterprise digital transformation. Its digital map data provides location, navigation, analytics, and other information for 7,933 towns, 6,37,472 villages, and 17.79 million places across many categories such as restaurant, retail shops, mall, ATMs, hotels, police stations, electric vehicle charging stations, etc., and 14.51 million house or building addresses. The company's Real Views maps provide actual roadside and on-ground views based on 400 million geo-reference photos, videos, and 360-degree panorama across India. The company has also entered into various MOUs with government organizations such as ISRO, NITI Aayog, National E-Governance Division, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and Government of India. Its clientele includes PhonePe, Flipkart, Amazon, Amazon Alexa, McDonald's, MG Motors, Nissan, Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Auto, and many more. MapMa India has reinvented and reimagined its mobility and maps to build its CASE suite of automotive solutions powered by intelligent digital vehicle twin, and live 4D digital map twin of the real world. This will convert your vehicle into intelligent travel companions using talking vehicle tech. Company has partnered with NTT Data Corporation, a global IT solution provider, to develop India's first large-scale 3D map data set, which is named as AW3D India. Bajaj Finserv has partnered with Mapma India, enabling their customer to explore nearby merchant stores using Mappl SDKs. Apple Maps uses Mapma India's smart place picker to place pins on the map and locate places for interest like house addresses, restaurants, fuel stations, financial institutions, ATMs, and many more. Bajaj Auto is offering the future of the mobility to the customers with Mapma India's maps and EV chargers SDKs. Mapple's Map API is also used in GeoEye's Umang app to help the citizen find nearby government facilities. MG Motor India is now offering its vehicle owners a next-gen driving experience with Mapple's navigation suite. In last 3 months, the stock gave a return of 38.85% as compared to rise of Sensex and Nifty in the same period. The India's GIS software market size was valued at $0.11 billion in 2018 and is projected to reach $0.39 billion by 2026, growing at a CAGR of 16.2% from 2019 to 2026. Company is well poised to enjoy the highest market share in navigation and other related services as India Geographic Information System market size has already reached $473.9 million in 2022 and having the further growth potential of the industry in upcoming years. Mutual funds have increased their holdings by 1.3% in the last quarter to 3.6%. Considering company's financial performance, long-term partnership with industry leaders, leadership position in its segment backed by the growth of industry as a whole in upcoming years, the company is good to have the portfolio for a long-term period. If you find this video interesting, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.